Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mohammad Sabir Hussain Shaun. I am 20 years old. I am from Bogora. I have completed my SSC from Mauna ML High School in 2019 with a GPA 5 out of 5 and completed my SSC from Cantonment Public School and College Mohamed Shahi in 2021 with GPA 5 out of 5. Now I am a student at Daffodil International University and I have chose Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering as my undergraduate career. There are several reasons which give me confidence that I am doing my best in this subject and even can make successful career. During my academic career, I have built a strong foundation of computer science concept and programming. I have proficient in languages like C, C++, Java and Python. I have also explored web development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and framework like React. My backend experience including working with MySQL and I am comfortable with version control using Git and GitHub. I have also developed problem solving skill through regular participation in coding competition and platform like HackerRank and Codeforces. I am easily communicate and work with other people. I believe if I get chance to work in a company, I have to ability to bring profit from the company. I have always been interested in working in group. My short-term goal is to work in a challenge and growth organized environment where I can apply and improve any technical skill. Long-term, I am aim to become a software engineer or tech lead, working an impactful project in domain like AI and cybersecurity or full stack development. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am excited about the journey ahead and I look forward to contributing to innovating term and marketing in impact. Let's connect and build the future together.